Hi, thanks for watching this video. This video is going to be very informative. In this video, we will share with you not only designing ideas about bird feeder and bird shower, but also will share with you very much useful information and tips. So keep watching till the end of this video. A bird feeder in a garden can be a wonderful addition for both the birds and the gardener. Not only does it provide a reliable source of food for our feathered friends, but it can also attract a variety of species to the garden, allowing for closer observation and enjoyment of their beauty and behavior. When choosing a bird feeder, it's important to consider the types of birds that are commonly found in the area. Different species have different feeding habits and preferences, so selecting a feeder that is appropriate for the local bird population is key. For example, some birds prefer to feed from hanging feeders, while others prefer ground feeders or platform feeders. Once the appropriate feeder has been selected, it's important to choose the right type of food to offer. Different birds have different dietary needs, so it's important to research what types of food are best for the species that are being attracted to the feeder. Some common options included seed, seeds, and nectar. In addition to providing food, a bird feeder can also serve as a focal point for the gardener. By placing the feeder in a visible location, it can attract not only birds but also other wildlife, such as squirrels and chipmunks. This can add an additional layer of interest and excitement to the garden. Overall, a bird feeder in a garden can be a wonderful addition for both the birds and the gardener. By providing a reliable source of food and attracting a variety of species, it can enhance the beauty and enjoyment of the garden while also contribute to the health and well-being of local wildlife. Here are some tips and tricks to create a bird feeder in your garden. Pick a spot that is visible to you but also away from areas where predator might lurk. It should also be easily accessible to birds. There are many types of bird feeders available, from simple platform feeders to more complex true feeders. Choose one that suits your garden and the types of birds you want to attract. Different birds prefer different types of food. Some prefer seeds while others prefer nectar or seed. Do some research to find out what types of birds are in your area and what they like to eat. Regularly clean your bird feeder to prevent the growth of mold or bacteria which can harm the birds. Birds need water to drink and bath in. Consider adding a bird bath or small water feature near your feeder. I hope these tips help you create a successful bird feeder in your garden. Bird feeders and bird showers are a great way to attract birds to your garden and provide them with the food and water they need. With a little creativity, you can make these items from old items lying around your home. One idea for a bird feeder is to use an old teapot or coffee pot. Simply fill it with bird seeds and hang it from a tree branch or hook. The spout of the pot make a perfect perch for birds to sit on while they eat. Another idea is to use an old muffin tin as a bird feeder. Fill each cup with different types of bird seeds and hang it from a tree branch or hook. This way you can offer a variety of seeds and attract different types of birds. For a bird shower, you can use an old baking dish or pie tin. Fill it with water and place it on the ground or on a low pedestal. Birds will be attracted to the sound of the water and can use it to drink and bath. Another idea is to use an old colander as a bird shower. Hang it from a tree branch or hook and fill it with water. The holes in the colander allow water to trickle down, creating a gentle shower from bath for birds to bath in. Using old items to create bird feeders and bird showers not only help to reduce waste but also add a unique touch to your garden. With a little creativity, you can create functional and attractive items that will attract birds and provide them with the food and water they need to thrive. At the end of this video, we would like to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.